Hi, my name is Nicolas and I will demo the integration between Trends Vision One and Views Authentication Management. In order to do this integration, we need to configure single sign-on on Trend Vision One, and we do this by downloading the metadata file, and this file will be uploaded into Views Authentication Management. In this case, I have already did the configuration, but I will show you. So you choose the file here, you complete the different parameters, enable the SAML2 integration, and hit save. After doing this, you will retrieve the the identity provider metadata file from Views Authentication Management solution by calling a specific API, and that file needs to be uploaded into Trend Vision One. After doing this, what we need to do is that we need to create user accounts and configure the account type as SAML account. So when we do that, what will happen is that when Trend Vision One detects a login attempt or a sign-in attempt from this account that is configured as a SAML account, it will redirect the login into the identity provider, Views Authentication Management. Okay, username, password, and I will use TOTP as my second factor authentication mechanism. I need to input my OTP that you are seeing on my phone and hit sign in. If my credentials and OTP are validated correctly, we redirect the user into Trend Vision One. By doing this integration, your organization will be in a better shape to do centralized user management. So we can integrate authentication management into Active Directory, for example. You can just delegate the login into Trend Vision One to us, to Views Authentication Management, and then great things can happen. Thank you.